Hello friends, I am Prem Sirvi and welcome to Udana English. Today we will talk about Amrita University. It is a very famous private university, especially in South India. If you want to study engineering, then this video is very important for you. I will tell you about the university's eligibility, fees, admission process, placements, campuses and more. So let's start without wasting time. So Amrita University is officially called Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham. It was established in 1994 and the founder of this university is Mata Amrita Nandamayi Devi, who is lovingly called Amma. Amma is well known spiritual leader and humanitarian. In 2003 the university got the status of deemed to be university. It is a multi-campus research university. It is ranked among the top 10 universities in India by NIRF. It also has a A++ grade from NAC accreditation, which shows the quality of education here. Amrita University has 9 campuses. Coimbatore, this is the strongest campus with many branches and many more branches are there. Amritapuri in Kerala, Mysore, Bangalore, Chennai, Faridabad, Amravati, Kochi, Nagarkoil. So you have many options to choose from, but if you want the most variety of engineering courses, then Coimbatore is the best campus. Now let's talk about engineering courses. The university offers 207 programs, but we will focus on only engineering. In engineering, you will find courses like computer science with AI, data science, cyber security and communications, electronics and communication engineering, medical engineering, quantum technology, autonomous agents. AI and data science courses are available in almost all campuses except Faridabad. So the basic eligibility is that you must have passed class 12th standard with at least 60% marks. It is very simple and there are two ways to get admission. Amrita engineering entrance examination means AEEE. 70% of seats are filled through this exam, but this year the registration time has passed. Next year you can apply. So JEE main exam, 30% of seats are filled through JEE mains. Right now admission through JEE mains is possible. According to some online sources, to get a computer science branch you may need around 80 to 85 percentile in JEE main. So if your percentile is above 80, you have a good chance to get admission here. Now let's talk about fees. Fees may seem a bit high, but the university gives a scholarship in 4 slabs. In the first slab, highest scholarship is given. The fee of computer science is about 1 lakh per year, and the other slab is the fees can be 2 lakh or 3 lakh as per year. If you do not get any scholarship, fee can be 5 lakh per year. So if you get a scholarship, fee become more affordable overall for 4 years. Engineering fee ranges from 4 lakh to 12 lakhs, and which is similar to IIT fees. So the placement data is very good. Highest salary package is around 57 lakh per annum. Average salary package is about 9 lakh per annum. Internship stipend can up to 1,25,000, and more than 92% students get placed every year, and over 300 companies visit the campus annually for recruitment. So Amrita University encourages startup also. They run a non-profit startup incubator to support student ideas. The university has filed 40 patents and they have incubated 184 startups and mentored 400 startup ideas. So if you want to become an entrepreneur, this university can help you a lot. So Amrita University has strong international collaborations and student exchange program. They are partnered with the Technical University of Munich in Germany, which is ranked in world top 50, and they also collaborate with University of California, Davis and University of Arizona in USA. So this means you can get global exposure while studying here. So the university is very popular in South India, so competition can be tough there, but in Delhi NCR, Faridabad, Bangalore campus, your chances for admission are better. If you have 80 percentile or above in JEE, you have a good chance of admission, especially in computer science. So friends, Amrita University is a reputed private university with high quality education, good placement, strong international tie-ups, scholarships and startup support. If you want to do engineering, definitely consider Amrita University, apply soon and be ready for counseling. So if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Edu9 English channel for more useful videos. Thank you so much for watching.